How to use Vivo Y30 AI triple camera. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll show you that how you can use Vivo Y30 AI triple camera. Okay, so guys, in Vivo Y30 you have got AI triple camera. Okay, you have got a triple camera. So guys, how you have to use it, in this video I'm going to show you the setting. Okay, so just watch the video, and guys, after you watch the video you will know how we have to use all the cameras. Okay, how we have to use all the cameras and how it works. So everything you will get to know about it after watching this video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start the video and let's check out all the camera setting. Okay, let's check out all the camera settings. So what settings we have, how we have to use all the cameras. Okay, how we have to click good pictures with those cameras. Okay, so let's start the video. So guys, before proceeding further, if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, so please subscribe it. Okay, so make sure to subscribe it and then press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So let's open up the camera, and after that guys, as you can see on my screen, okay, this is your camera. And after that, what you need to do is to use triple camera, you have to click here. So guys, as you can see the lens option, so you have to click on the lens. Okay, click on the lens, and after that the first one is super wide angle. So whenever you enable the super wide angle, okay, you can click group pictures from here. So this is how it works. Okay, but only in back camera you will get super wide angle feature. Okay, and if you click on the bokeh, so in bokeh, if you click pictures, okay, in 2 meters away, then it will work perfectly. Okay, you can see the description at the top of the screen. While selecting a vehicle, shoot subject within 2 meters for better result. Okay, and if you select the super macro, then guys, what it's saying, let's check out again. Super macro works best when the target is 4 cm away. Okay, so it's saying super macro work best, okay, when the object is 4 centimeter away. So guys, okay, if you are clicking pictures from near, okay, something like this, I'll try to show you some pictures. Okay, so just like this, if you are trying to click pictures like this from your from near your camera, okay, just 4 cm away, then you will get the best results. Okay, so this is your AI camera settings. Okay, so many people doesn't know from where they have to use the camera lenses, because they know they have 2 3 camera 4 cameras, but many people doesn't know how it has to be used. Okay, how it works. They sometimes they think, maybe they think that it works all together, but it's not like that. You have to use in different ways, okay, through the lens, and this is how it works, and this is the way, okay, this is the correct way to use the cameras in Vivo Y30. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.